Hello friends, welcome back to Falash Juniors. So friends, today we are going to study about James Webb Space Telescope. So friends, let's start. The James Webb Space Telescope is the largest, most powerful space telescope ever built. It will allow our scientists to look at what our universe was about 200 million years after the Big Bang. Friends, it was launched on December 25, 2021 at 7:20 a.m. EST Eastern Standard Time. Duration for this mission is 5 to 10 years and its weight is approximately 6200 kg. Friends, the side which faces to the sun, its temperature is 85 degrees Celsius and the other side's temperature is minus 233 degrees Celsius. It was launched from the Gowana Space Center. Friends, James Webb Space Telescope does not orbit the Earth like Hubble Space Telescope. It orbits to the Sun and is 1.5 million kilometers away from the Earth at L2 position. The James Webb Space Telescope is a giant leap forward in our quest to understand the universe and our origin. Webb is examining every phase of cosmic history from the first luminous glows after the Big Bang to the formation of galaxies, stars, planets to the evolution of our solar system. Friends, there are four main science themes of Webb. They are as follows: Early Universe. Webb is a powerful time machine with infrared vision that is peering back over 13.5 billion years to see the first star and galaxy forming out of the darkness of the early universe. Second is galaxies over time. Friends, Webb's unprecedented infrared sensitivity is helping astronomers to compare the faintest, earliest galaxies to today's grand spiral and ellipticals, helping us to understand how galaxies assemble over billions of years. Third is star life cycle. Friends, Webb is able to see right through and into massive clouds of dust that are opaque to visible light observation like Hubble, where stars and planetary systems are being born. And friends, fourth, the last is other worlds. Webb is telling us more about the atmospheres of extrasolar planets and perhaps we'll even find the building blocks of life elsewhere in the universe. In addition to other planetary systems, Webb is also studying objects within our own solar system. Friends, now let's see some best images captured by the James Webb Space Telescope. Friends, just tell me that how has the James Webb Space Telescope changed our view of universe? Yes, friends, you are correct. The James Webb Space Telescope observed the galaxies as they were when the universe was young as 1 billion years, showing how over time black holes gain unfathomable masses, often millions or billions times that of the sun. Now, friends, let's see the thoughts of the scientists on James Webb Space Telescope.
So, Brad, what's going on over here now?
Well, we are bonding items to the back of the mirror, and that is to distribute the loads during launch as well as to distribute the loads during the mission.
And this is a precursor to more items being attached to the mirror, right?
Yeah, that's correct. The next step is when we attach the hexapod assembly and the radius of curvature subsystem onto the back of the mirror.
Sounds like a mouthful. I think it would be better understood if we actually see one.
Sure. The hexapod assembly has the 6 rigid body actuators. Its job is to manipulate the mirror in 6 degrees of motion. The radius of curvature subsystem, it's one of the 6 struts, and there's an actuator that goes to the center of the mirror. It can very precisely change the radius of curvature of the primary mirror. Because the mirror consists of 18 primary mirror segment assemblies, those 18 primary mirror segment assemblies must be adjusted while on orbit to mimic a perfect primary mirror.
So, Brad, can we take a closer look at these actuators?
Talk to Jake Lewis, and he will bring you up to speed with the actuators.
Jake?
Yes,
Yeah, Brad told me that you are the man with the actuators.
absolutely.
Can we take a closer look at them?
Sure. So here we have the hexapod, and we're aligning the actuators onto it. A precision alignment fixture allows us to build each hexapod identically. Now that they've positioned the actuators on here, they've got to verify that it's in tolerance. So they're measuring it to make sure that it's in the exact position that it needs to be.
Do you have different actuators for the different mirrors, or are they all the same?
No, one of the things that we've done is that all of the mirrors have exactly the same actuators on them.
Secondary, tertiary, all those?
Just the secondary and primary mirrors have actuators. The tertiary doesn't have any actuators on it. It stays fixed. But the only difference between the primary and secondary mirror hexapods is the size of the frame. The actuator assembly all remains identical, and that's a cost savings and a great simplification for us.
Well, thanks for giving us a sense of what actuators are on the James Webb Space Telescope and the hexapod assembly.
You're welcome.
Friends, now let's see 5 most important discoveries that James Webb is expected to make. First, how are stars and planets formed? Second, what did the first galaxies and stars look like? Third, what did the first black holes look like? And why does every galaxy have a supermassive black hole at its center? Fourth, is there another planet like Earth? Can we detect life elsewhere, both in solar system or beyond? Fifth, what is the true rate of universal expansion? Friends, do you know that what are the upcoming missions of James Webb Space Telescope? No? Okay, friends, don't worry. I will tell you. Friends, James Webb Space Telescope will turn its powerful infrared instruments to study the planet's famous the Great Red Giant Spot. Second, Webb has planned to study the atmosphere of Saturn's largest moon Titan in 2025. Friends, the telescope will revisit the galaxy cluster SMACS 0723. And friends, the fourth is throughout 2024 and 25, James Webb Space Telescope will continue observing exoplanets as they transit or passes in front of their parent stars. So okay, bye friends. If you like this video, so like it, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. We will meet in next video. Thanks for watching.